Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. This idea was submitted by a viewer. Wanted to know something about number formatting, custom number formatting. I've done a couple of those on other videos, so you can go back and take a look at those. But here's one that I haven't done before. You've got customers or something along this left-hand side. You've got numbers or something along the top. You've got a value in the middle. In this case, it is a discount percentage. And we have items where the discount percentage is 0. That's where there's actually a sale, but there was no discount. And what I don't want it to show 0, because if there's no discount, don't show anything. You'd think that maybe if there was 0, it's going to be maybe rounding. So what we do is we come under average discount, go under format, under the pane, under default, go under numbers. It's already set up for percentage. So if you come to custom, you can see that this is the format that you have. If you put a semicolon, I think that's right. The next one is you can put parentheses or red, or you can make it whatever you want. We're going to leave it as it is for right now. We're just going to put another semicolon. And this is what this is what you show the 0 value as. And I just put 2 quotation marks, and it shows, so there's just a space, so there's nothing. And you can see that they all disappeared. There you go. Quick tip for today, this week. Please subscribe. Go check out my Patreon account, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.